Hi everyone, my name is Jules and I share beginner friendly orchid and plant care tips to help your garden thrive. Today, I'll share with you how to grow rare orchids at home. Growing rare orchids at home can seem like a daunting task, reserved only for expert growers with greenhouses and years of experience. But I believe that is a common misconception because anyone can grow rare orchids at home. It's all about understanding the specific needs of your plant and being willing to adapt. Growing rare orchids at home requires only attention to detail, patience, and practice. But with the right knowledge and a bit of dedication, anyone can give it a try. Key tips to keep in mind include using well draining medium, watering carefully, and providing the right amount of light. These are some of my rare orchids at home. I simply left them in the pots they came in and avoided overwatering. It was a thrill when they rebloom a year later. And you know what I've discovered is that rare orchids can be successful as long as you grow the ones suited for ordinary home temperatures and lighting and follow basic guidelines. If you have any experiences growing rare orchids at home, I'd love to hear about them. Please comment below with your stories or questions. And if you are interested in learning more about orchid care, be sure to watch my next video where I'll be sharing common mistakes to avoid. So this is Jules Share reminding you happy roots, happy blooms. Care for your orchids and they'll care for your soul. From my garden to yours, may your days always bloom beautifully. Thanks for watching, thanks for your time, and God bless. Until next time.